Well, got a little Texas Customs tip for today. Got this Ford Super Duty here. Another shop put on some really nice parts. Got a PMF track bar, which was popping. The correct tool to torque this track bar to 405 foot-pounds. Note this part number. Fellas, add this to your toolbox. That's the Proto, part number 6202A. You basically take your desired torque, which on this case was 405 foot-pounds, and divide that by 3.0, you get 135 foot-pounds. So you put 135 foot-pounds of torque on it, and you get 405 output. The pop is gone.